Friends, have you ever spent hours drowning in emails while missing the important ones? Newsletters, receipts, and random updates bury the messages that actually matter. Sorting through this mess kills productivity every single day. Lately, I have been using a tool called Sanebox, and it has quietly transformed the way I deal with email every day. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I will walk you through how it works. You will see how it filters messages automatically and helps you focus on what truly matters. This might save you hours every single week. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Folks, Sanebox is an AI-powered email management tool that organizes your inbox automatically. The best part is that it requires zero technical skills or complicated setup. It's built for busy professionals who need to move fast and stay focused. Whether you run a small business or manage a team, this platform keeps your attention on messages that actually matter. No more fighting with cluttered inboxes or wasting time sorting manually. Mates, everything happens in the background using AI that learns your priorities over time. The whole system works with any email provider you already use. Whether you have Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or something else, Sanebox plugs right in without hassle. It doesn't force you to switch platforms or learn new interfaces. Instead of acting like yet another plugin, it reshapes how your existing inbox behaves so you can stay with real work. You get a free 14-day trial to test everything, plus simple fixed price plans, with no hidden fees when you decide to stay. It is aimed at busy professionals who care about focus and peace of mind. The service even offers a personal concierge session during the trial, if you want help dialing in your setup. Alright guys, now it is time to walk through the setup together and see how Sanebox actually works in real life. We start right on the homepage. Here, the service immediately invites you to start a free trial. And the nice part is that no card is required at this stage. You can create an account with a regular address or by using a provider like Google or Yahoo. In this demo, I sign in with my Google account, so Sanebox asks for permission to access mail. That is normal for any inbox assistant. And once we allow it, the real setup begins. Once you grant access, it takes you through a quick setup process that's super straightforward. You simply choose why you use it, highlight your main email pain points, and toggle key tools like Sane Later or Sane Black Hole. In just a couple of minutes, everything is configured and ready to start cleaning your inbox. The platform redirects you to the dashboard, where you can start managing your messages immediately. Here, all your key tools are organized and easy to access right away. Mates, let's walk through what you will find here and how to use each feature. First, you see a note prompting you to configure Sane Black Hole for blocking unwanted senders. Click on Suggestions, and Sanebox shows you 10 potential sources it thinks you might want to block. Folks, you can review the list and select the ones you want to banish forever. I will pick a couple just to test it out and see how it works. Next, you can adjust which emails are considered important and which contacts should always appear in your inbox. There is also an option to configure Sane Later, so older items automatically move to a different folder. For example, I can choose Sane Archive and set it to move messages older than 1 month automatically. This keeps my space clean and helps me focus on recent conversations that actually matter. The Digest feature lets you review all your correspondence in one convenient place without opening each one. You also get a section showing recent trainings, like the senders you just moved to Black Hole earlier. Mates, the platform explains what actions were taken and lets you refine them further if needed. You can mark all emails in a folder as read with one simple click. You can also move them to archive or delete them in bulk to save time. If you prefer handling them individually, just hover over any message for quick action buttons. The tool also flags bothersome senders automatically and suggests blocking them right away. You can approve or cancel the action, and once you finish reviewing, just hit Done. It says our next digest will be ready in about 18 hours from now. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now let's talk about Do Not Disturb, which is perfect for vacations or focused work time. This feature is really helpful when you need uninterrupted concentration without distractions. You simply choose the time period when you want emails paused completely. It can be for a few days or just a few hours during the day. You can also add specific rules, like setting an exact start and end date for the mode. When this regime is active, new emails move to a special folder automatically. Digests, reminders, and snooze folders pause automatically, while other ones keep filtering as usual. There are extra settings too, like sending a digest or notifying you when the mode starts. Besides, guys, you can allow exceptions for certain keywords in the subject line if needed. It's possible to set up an away message that replies to senders automatically while you're away. Once you save everything, the mode activates and starts working immediately. You can adjust or turn it off anytime directly from the dashboard. The reminder section is straightforward and easy to set up in just a few clicks. You enable it by adding your calendar feed and setting your default time. You also configure your time zone, so notifications arrive at the right moment. It's possible to customize how they appear, with options for quick snooze controls or simple formats. Mates, creating a reminder is really easy and takes just a few seconds to do. Simply use a pattern like on Friday or in 1 week. You can enable repeat mode if needed for recurring reminders that happen regularly. It shows up in your inbox at the scheduled time you selected earlier. The no replies section tracks notes you sent that haven't been answered yet by recipients. This helps you follow up without manually searching through old threads and wasting time. Next is the Trainings and Filters section, where you can train contacts for better email routing. Here you teach Sanebox where to send correspondence from specific senders automatically over time. If you need help, folks, just click Learn More to explore training methods in detail. You will also see a handy chart showing which folder works best for each type. You can also manage aliases here for receiving messages without exposing your primary address. An alias lets all traffic land in your main inbox while keeping your real address private. Our next section gives you an overview of all your folders and their purposes clearly. You can also create custom folders for specific types of emails you receive regularly. I want to add Sane text box and train it to catch specific types of messages. The platform remembers your preferences and applies them to future correspondence automatically, without extra effort. Friends, under Power Tools, you will find features like Say Not Spam for pulling legitimate notes from spam. This is super useful because sometimes important messages get misclassified by regular spam filters accidentally. There is also Send Screener, which holds emails from first-time senders until Sanebox finishes analyzing your history. You can connect a to-do app like TickTick or Todoist, so tasks get created automatically from those items. Mates, you can link cloud services like Google Drive or OneDrive for better attachment management. The snooze folders let you defer ongoing threads until a specific day or time that works better. You can customize where snoozed emails reappear and create folders for special dates or deadlines. It's possible to send automatic replies to senders, letting them know when you will respond properly. Finally, the Missed section includes Deep Clean, which scans for old items automatically. It helps free up storage space by finding messages you can safely move to trash. This is perfect if your account is running low on storage or feeling cluttered. In your actual email interface, guys, you will notice new labels on the left panel immediately. These labels represent all the folders you just set up during the configuration process earlier. Instead of over 100 items in my inbox, I see only 17 now. Everything else has been sorted automatically into the appropriate folders based on my settings and preferences. You can click through each one to review what got filtered and where it went. Sanebox even sends helpful notes explaining how to use the labels effectively. Training the system is simple and happens naturally as you use your email normally. Just drag an email to the folder where it should go next time you receive similar messages. The tool remembers your action for next time and applies it to future responses from that sender. So, my friends, this is how the whole system works together. Let's sum it up. From setting up your account to sorting through hundreds of emails in minutes, SaneBox quietly takes care of the routine for you. You don't need to worry about complicated filters or manual sorting that wastes precious time. No more stress about missing important messages buried under junk. Folks, if you have been putting off getting your inbox under control, this might be the tool that finally helps. Try SaneBox and experiment with the features to see how much time you get back each week. What feature do you think would help you the most in your daily email workflow? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.